my people. Good morning, good afternoon, according to where you are. Hey, guess what? I'm back home. Kulu, 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 kulu. I'm back home. Just look at these hands, surely. Just look. Hmm? Hmm? This is home. Can you see? We have ants. Just look, and these small ones. Just look. The advantages of staying at home. Just look. Just look the way they are very beautiful, very interesting. You can't miss a meat. You can't miss inaitangwa aje, chicken meat. When you like to have an hen, you just take one and slaughter. Just look. It is very much interesting. Oneni hizi kidogo. Just look. Have a look at it. Home is wonderful. Home is so good when you have something to do. You can't even go to stay in the cities. You can't even sleep because you have ants. Uwezi lala njaa. Uko na kuku unaweza uza kamoja. At the end of the day you get something to eat. So here I am. This is on 28th, being at home at Ukambani, my dear people. I came home. I'm from city. When you are in Nairobi, you know things are just, everything is money. But when you are at home, at least you can meet with the people, talk with the people. And at the end of the day, you meet new faces, you meet your family. So home is beautiful. I'm back home. I came to see whether they have mangoes, whether the mangoes are ready, and to see whether I can get something out of home. They can give me hen, I go and eat. I can get some maize, but this time round, there's no maize. There's no maize out here. It is drought. Mvua iliendanga. Rains went away for some times, and when it came back, there was no food in the shamba. Hakukuwa na chakula hata. Everything was already spoiled. So my people, thank you for watching. I'm happy to see you back watching my videos. Just look, back in home, back at Ukambani. Yeah. So, thank you for watching. See you in the other video. Bye.